Hello guys, welcome back to Data Analytics with Saeed, and today we're going to talk about how to code pandas as stats and data. So what that is, we're going to talk about how to do it with SCV, how we can do it with scatterplot, um, how we can do it with counterplot, hist plot, and counterplot. So these are all of the plots we're going to code and how we can get the data from them. So first, the basic one. How can we code pandas as stats and data? Import pandas as PD, and then df equals pd dot read underscore scv, and you just copy a file, which uh which here. So you click, I think you go to Amazon, uh dates, can I go? Here, there's this one. You get any file you want, maybe you get a file of yourself, but I have a different file, but you can use the same file as last one. So this one, we do that's what I get. I go to files and graph and plot. I I click I click this, and then I get this. I miss the data. As in I open it, as in I copy it. I'm not gonna copy this, but I copy path, as in I put it in the parentheses, and that's how I get how I get the file. So we do df, which comprehend. So we just get like the whole data. Nothing, just gives us the whole data, is nothing different right here. This is the whole data. And then when we do here, when we do df dot head, it will give us only 5, and df tail only give us 5 as well. So that's how it works. So now we're gonna talk about how to get the info. So we just do df dot info, and we get info from it. Right here, all of these are all the info. These are all objects, and these are floats. These are all like the non-null count, and these are like all of the columns. So we have 13 columns, and these are like what type of class they use, and most of them is object, int, or float. So now we do df.order date, pd to date time. This is just to get one specific data, which if we do it, we only get order date and like the date they ordered all of them, and the date time for order date, because as you can see, only order date is here. So when we put that, it shows all of the information about it. Now we do how to check statical summary and null values as statical summary. So we do df.describe, just describes what we have, or it just shows what we have. So df.describe, it describes what type of uh like stats or like functions we use. So it's standard deviation, max 75%, 50, 25. Min, mean, count. So count, it just means how much there is. Mean just means like the meaning of it. Min, it means the least. 25% is like, 25% of 100, half of 100, uh, 75% of 100. Max is like the most you can get. And standard division is just like what the standard is. So now we're going to talk about check the null values. We do df.insole, parentheses dot sum parentheses, just shows all of the items, but in null. So what null means, you get all zero. Like the effect is that there's no change, so we get 0. So checking the duplicate values. So now we're going to talk about how to check the duplicate values, general EDA, and distribution of plot of unit price. So first we're going to do checking the duplicate values, and we do df.duplicated. It should give us 0 because we have nothing duplicated or something wrong. And now we're going to do general EDA, which is distribution plot of unit price. So we do import matplotlib at pyplot as plt, import cplot as sn. And so we do plot dot figure fixed size is 10 to 4, like how big or small you want the chart you want to be. Now we do SNS hist plus DF unit price, bins 20, KD true. So bins 20, it means like how many bars should be there? Not 20, but you know what I mean. Like most of them, these are all 20s, but you just can't really count them. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like that. That's how it works. And then KD true. So the shoe is just gonna show us there. Now we do the title, which is distribution of unit price. X labels is unit price. Y label is frequency. And when we do that, this is what we get. And also we get the data, the bar graph, the bars as a whole data chart. And we also get the trace of it, like how, what is the motion of this data motion. So now we're going to talk about how to check plot between unit cross and unit python, which is plot dot figure, fixed as 10, scatter, unit price, and unit cost, data dot frame, guilty title, plot between unit price and unit cost, X level is unit price, Y is unit cost. When we do that, we get just a straight line. This is kind of like the plot of it. It just keeps going up. Now we're going to talk about how to plot Y using scatter plot. But penalty dot fixed figure is fixed as same. It's the whole same thing, except now we do not scatter, but we change it to plot as a DF and print it. Braces unit price, DF braces unit cost. Same thing, same labels. Now we do penalty dot show, and we get the bars now. This is what we get. We get the bars. But then if you wanted to count the order by region, you also do X, same thing, but now you change which you change plot to SNS count plot, and X is region and data is equals to DF. Title is count the order by region. Same thing as X and Y label, just put different label for region X, count for Y. And now we add a different thing, which is PLT dot X text, which is rotation of the name. So rotation is 45 degrees. And over here you can see all the names are 45 degrees. How to perform low and high basis of total revenue, top performing region. So these are like what is like the best like basis of total revenue, like what are the best items that are selling or like the best items for the region. So we do top underscore perform and underscore region equals d of the group by parentheses comma double quotation region as a braces uh 1 comma total revenue and dot sum uh is parentheses dot id x max, and then we do print top performing region. So we get this is what we get sub-Saharan Africa. Why? Because you can see sub-Saharan Africa is 35 counts. Now we do the same thing as low performing, but then we change top to low. We do id x max to min and print not top performing but low performing, and we get North America. So that's how it works. How to know the best selling, poor and selling products, know the best selling products and the poor selling products and the most profitable. So best selling products we do both the same thing, except we do best now and selling products. Last time we was region, now we're doing products. DF group by is item type, units sold, and dot sum parentheses n largest to 5. And we're gonna show us the 5 largest products that are selling the best. 4 selling products, so the same thing. Now we do n smallest 5, print 4 selling products, and we both get different regions, different items. So these are like the best items. These are the worst items. You can see these are in like in the 10, 20,000. These are in the 40, 50, 70, 80,000s. And it also shows us the name, what name it uses is a unit sold because we use unit souls, and the data type is integer 64. Now, most profitable products is DF group by item and total profit is some and the largest again, but most profitable products now. Now we get these are like the best ones ever. So very good for us, like where it helps like the company the most. So these are like baby food, clothes, office supplies, household cosmetics. These are like the best. So now we're gonna talk about last one, what is total revenue by region. So same thing, we're just gonna do it, but now we're gonna get the bar plot of it. So we now change it to SNS bar plot. Before it was SNS count plot. Now we do bar plot. X equals uh one quotation region and Y equals total revenue, data equals frame, and PLT.title, just total revenue, total revenue by region, X sticks is rotation 45, the names, X level region, Y level total revenue. And when we show it, this is what we get. We get a box and the bar as well. And that's how it works. And next time we're gonna talk about correlation map, which is heat map, total profit by item type, and total profit by region and country. So thank you for watching and listening and doing the coding with me. I hope you have a great day and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.